Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I am going to be reviewing and also doing a tutorial with you guys with the Secret Santa eyeshadow palette by Too Faced. This palette is so good. It's so much goodness in this little box that I can't even say it all in just this little bit of time. So you guys stay tuned. I'm going to give you some swatches. I'm going to do a small tutorial and then I want you to talk to me. Keep watching. So today's palette that's going to be featured is the Too Faced Secret Santa eyeshadow palette. This is the 8-pan 10 palettes. It looks like this. Has like 8 shadows in it. Beautiful, beautiful shades here. Easy to work with, effortless. I'm in love with this little palette and I can use it over and over again in multiple different ways. So I'm gonna get into this palette. I'm gonna do a few swatches of the shades that I did use to get this look on my eyes today, and then we're gonna get right into this tutorial. So the first shade that we're going to swatch is gonna be this black. And I'm just looking for something to cover the mirror with. So it's going to be this black right here. And we're going to swatch that. And baby, this black is blacking. Like it really is blacking. So that's the black. I also use this like cranberry shade that you see right there. I'm going to apply that so you guys can see that. Very, very pretty. The next shade I'm going to use is going to be this like peachy tone. It's called Jingle Mingle, and it is beautiful as well. It's like a pinky brown. And then what is the next shade that I use? Okay, so the next shade I use is going to be this like deep burgundy brown. It has some shimmer in it, and that one is called Elf Taught. Cute. I like that. Elf Taught, kind of like self-taught, but elf taught. And then for my inner corner I use this shimmery like champagne color right here, and it is called Coming to Town. Yeah. So we're gonna swatch that. Ooh, that is beautiful and shimmery. And now guys, we're gonna get right into this tutorial. So I'm just gonna lean in close so you guys can see this look on this eye over here. And I did do this eye, I smoked it out and I added a little liner. And guys, ever since I have been using liner in like my past 3 videos, like it's kind of a thing now. Like I never wanted liner before, but with these smoky looks, like you kind of need to put a little liner so you can make the shadows pop. So anyway, let's get into it. So I'm gonna first lay down that like pinky peachy color called Jingle Mingle, and yeah, I'm gonna try to with this one right there. So I'm gonna place that on like the crease of my lid and just use that as a transition shade. And again, like I said guys, these shades are so pretty, so pigmented and easy to blend. I mean, they really are. Okay, so next thing guys, we're gonna pick up this like chocolatey brown with the burgundy with the shimmers in it. Very pretty color. I'm gonna show you guys which one it is on my hand. It's this one right here. We're gonna pick that one up and we are going to place it on our outer portion of our lid. Just tapping that on and like bringing it up. We're gonna leave like a quarter of the eye open over there of our inner corner, because that's where we're gonna place another shade. Okay, so you guys know that I'm famous for flipping this brush over, and that's exactly what we're gonna do. And we're gonna pick up this burgundy type color, this one right here, and we're gonna put that on our inner portion of our lid. And I'm gonna start out with the brush, but eventually I'm gonna go in with my finger. I'm just gonna blend that right into that deeper brown shade that I had. I'll try to go as close in as I can. Okay, and kind of marry the two of them together. And I'm just flipping it back over and picking up a little bit more of that. Kind of just gotta work with it just a little bit till you get it how you want it. Okay, so now guys, we're just gonna take our we're just gonna take our brush and we're going to place our black into this shade here because we want to try and lay that down. I just need to grab a brush real quick. We're going into that black that we used, well, that we swatched earlier, and you just want to like tap this because honey, this black is blacking. Like I said, it is blacking. And you're just basically going to add a little bit more smoke into this look. You don't want to get too wild with it because you already have that deeper shade on the outer portion of your lid. Anyway, this is just a beautiful eye look. I mean, it's so pretty. Okay, so now what you're gonna do is, I'm gonna take my finger and I'm just gonna pick up some of that burgundy and I'm gonna pat it onto my lid, and you see how much more pigmented that is. Oh my gosh, it comes out so pretty. And then I'm just going to use one of my other fingers and we're gonna pick up that deeper brownish shade and kind of smoke them in together. Okay, so that's looking pretty good and smoky. And then I'm just gonna go back in to that peachy shade right here, and I'm gonna use this brush and I'm just gonna blend a little bit more. Blend it into my crease just to give me a little bit of definition there and a little bit of smokiness to kind of soften all of that out. Yes, so are you guys like all ready for your Christmas, and have you spent all your money, or are you not spending money this year? Like, let me know down below, like, what you planning on doing. I still have a few things left to do. I am the Christmas Eve shopper. I'm the one that's out in the hustle and the bustle, and I'm like, get out the way because I'm trying to get my stuff, and now I want to get back home when I should have had this stuff done already, but I don't. I procrastinate the entire year, and then December 24th comes around, and then I kind of like want to play Secret Santa and, you know, do my thing. So that's probably not a good idea. And every year I say I'm not gonna do that, and then every year I find myself doing the same exact thing. So I think it's safe to say that that's the definition of, well, we know what. But I'm not gonna say that I'm insane, so I'm just gonna leave it like that. I just gotta be more prepared, and I'm gonna try to prepare the next year. That's my goal. So you guys, now that we have that done, we're gonna go ahead and do our lower lash line, which we're just gonna tap the black again. and pretty much smoking that out. Definitely gonna have to clean that up a bit. Then I'm gonna run some of this shade underneath there. You really have to be careful with that black because it is like so pigmented. Grabbing the cranberry as well. Then we're just gonna go in and place our, gotta grab another brush, guys. Put our inner corner shade in. And we're doing that. Looking pretty good so far. I like what I see. I'm just gonna add just a teeny bit more of that in there. Okay, and we're just gonna try to, oh my goodness, I'm just adding a teeny bit more of that in, and I just want to go in and smoke this out a little bit because that is gonna look really good there. Okay, so that is that look. I'm going to pull this whole look together per the usual, and then I'll be back, and then we're gonna talk Secret Santa eyeshadow palette. Okay, we are back and we have pulled the look together. This is the final look. I finished the other eye, applied a little mascara and some lips. Today I used the Fenty Heat and the Gloss Bomb. This is the shade Hot Cherry. This bad boy right now got me tangling because she's a little spicy. This is what it looks like. It's like a red, but it's a gloss. So yeah, maybe you guys can see that a little bit on my lips. I normally have been going with a lipstick lately, but I decided I'd do a gloss with a shine on lips and everything. So hopefully that all came together well. So we're gonna get into this palette real quick. So I'm gonna open it up and show you guys again what we looking like. Again, 8 shades, beautiful shades, 8 beautiful shades. I love this little palette. It's the Secret Santa by Too Faced. Every year Too Faced comes out with like an 8-pan shadow palette. Last year I think it was like a fruitcake one. The year before that I think they had oh my gosh, I can't think of it, was like a hot cocoa or some type of coffee one. It was the 8-pan, but they usually do come out with some beautiful shades. They usually always have a burgundy in there, some type of neutral transition shade. The packaging on this though is so cute. It has a little Santa on it. This is a beautiful gift that you can get someone. It is limited edition. I don't know how many of these are left in store right now. I actually purchased mine from Ulta. Ulta does have these. I'm not sure if they're on the website, so you know, you might want to check that out if this is something that you're interested in. Again, I'll show you guys the swatches. You can see that the pigmentation is there. They blend well. They blend, you know, effortlessly. It's not like you got to put a lot of wrist work into it. Again, you can come up with some easy, even 1 color looks, 2 shadow looks. Put you a beige shade on your mobile lid, smoke it out on the outer portion. So many different looks. This was under $20, I want to say. Very versatile, very worth the price. So I hope you guys make it out while you're shopping. Pick yourself up a gift. This would be a perfect one. Pick the makeup lover in your family a gift up. This would really be nice for them as well. You guys, if you've used this palette before, let me know how you feel about it. If you're gonna use it just around Christmas and then you're gonna put it away and you're gonna be done with it until next year, let me know that too, because there are some palettes that I have bought that are seasonal. I'm only pulling them out at that specific season, and then I kind of put them away, which doesn't really make sense at all. That just means you have like way too many palettes. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. I'm getting ready to get out of here, you guys. If I don't see you guys again before Christmas, I want to wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I hope to see you guys back before the new year. Be blessed, be safe, come on back, let's do it all over again. Let me know what your thoughts are down below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, that like button. I will see you in the next video. Bye.